If you have ever spent 3 hours building a presentation just to have it look like this or this, please stop. Because I'm about to show you something that makes PowerPoint 10 times better. This AI doesn't just help you build slides, it builds the entire deck for you from a PDF, a website, or raw data while you literally watch it happen. This is Ajelix. Available at chat.ajelix.com. It's an AI agent, not a template picker, not a slide editor, an agent that thinks, creates, and delivers a polished presentation based on whatever you throw at it. Let me show you 3 ways people are using this tool to speed up presentations. First, you have a report, a research paper, or a business document. Instead of rereading it and rebuilding everything manually, just drop the PDF right into the chat and say, create a presentation from this. That's simple. I have a file ready here, a PDF data about annual report, and I have a prompt where I'm asking AI to analyze the report and create a professional PowerPoint presentation ready for sharing to my management. I'm asking him to give me the key insights, charts, data, and use my logo, which I have uploaded here in the folder. So let's click send and we'll see what AI generates. Before starting an execution, AI agent has provided me with a work plan. So he has reasoned everything I have given him, the logo, the file, the prompt, and here he provides a work plan where I can see his reasoning if he has understood me right, so what he will include in the presentation. At this point, I can either press start task or I can tell him to adjust something if I don't like it. I'm just gonna click start because it looks pretty good to me. AI has finished creating the presentation from the PDF report that we provided here. The PDF report with different kinds of data, lots and lots of tables. Here is the finished presentation. Let's click on it and see what he created. And wow, okay, so he used the brand colors we asked him to use. Again, here's our logo, the title, executive summary with main insights, sales performance overview. Again, you can just download it here and it will be as a PowerPoint presentation that you can further adjust. For example, these charts or colors. For example, here something isn't right, so you can ask an AI to finish it. These slides already look super amazing. Actually, this presentation is almost ready to present to a board. Second use case. Maybe you found a great article, a competitor's page, or a product page online, and you just want to create a presentation out of it. You can paste the URL and tell Ajelix to turn this into a presentation for my teams. For this use case, I'm just asking AI to research my SaaS product and market and create a modern professional PowerPoint pitch deck for an investor meeting. I will enable web search because I'm asking AI to perform a live web research. So here I can enable it. And I'm asking it to design, polish, and use my logo in the workspace. Add my brand color. Let's click send. This was a super long workflow. AI agent took 92 actions to complete and create this presentation. It took him around 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see what he created. Let's click on the link. And okay, so here's Ajelix. So the problem, the solution, okay, how it works, key features. I'm sure we can adjust this chart once you download the PowerPoint. He has extracted information from internet on trust score, average ROI, the users when we are founded. These are actual quotes from our customers. Here's our business model, competitive landscape, go-to-market strategy. So this is pretty awesome pitch deck. It looks better than most pitch decks I have seen on pitch battles. So this is super amazing output. Third use case, and this one is for the analysts and marketers, and actually also founders and managers. You can upload your spreadsheet or connect to Google Sheets, add your sales data, your metrics, or just messy data, and ask AI to turn that into a presentation. And it doesn't just dump the numbers on a slide. No, he formats everything, extracts the key insights, analyzes the data, provides a KPIs. Let's start with adding a prompt, and in this prompt, I'm asking AI to analyze sales data folder because I here have the sales data I have already uploaded. Here are like 3 files about D-level data, monthly sales summary, representative performance, and I'm asking AI to create a professional PowerPoint presentation, include my logo from this folder, and use this, again, my brand color for accents. Let's click send and we'll see what AI creates. AI has finished creating the presentation, and here you can click on the sales performance analysis and we'll see, okay, and he has used the logo, has formatted the front page. Here is an executive summary with different kinds of total revenue, deals closed, top performing regions. He even created a chart. Once you download it as a PowerPoint presentation, you are able to edit because these are real slides, these are real charts, and you can adjust the information if you need. Even tables and, again, representatives under quota. So he has actually reasoned and he's providing the insights that you can further on present it to your team from these like basic CSV files that we uploaded. Every single output is real, editable PowerPoint file, not locked in some tool, not a screenshot. You download it, you own it, you can refine it, you can send further to your management, you could download it as a PDF here in the chat, or you can edit it in PowerPoint or Google Slides if you want. But honestly, most of the time, these PowerPoint slides look just fabulous. This all was done using chat.ajelix.com. You can go ahead, test it for free. Honestly, the era of building presentation from scratch is over because Ajelix can do it for you. Link in the description below to try it for free. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Ajelix, and we'll see you on the next one.